National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a tornado warning for Central Peoria County, West Central Tazewell County, until 9:30 p.m. At 9:09 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Peoria, or 10 miles northeast of Picken, moving west at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and ping-pong ball-sized hail. At 9:08 p.m., trained weather spotters reported a rotating wall cloud. The following impacts are expected: mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Flying debris will be deadly to people and animals. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Peoria, Pekin, Rome, and Peoria Heights.